Hi boys and girls, it's time for writing workshop. And today we had to dress up like a superhero to fight germs and bacteria. And there we have Mabel with her hand sanitizer. Okay, so this week we started an all about book and our topic was the playground. We touched and told and drew pictures that taught about our topic, and then we added labels and sentences. Let's reread our booklet. All About the Playground, written and illustrated by Miss Allen. Page 1. This is the slide. We have our slide, and remember we used our snap words to help build our sentence. Page 2. This is the seesaw. We had our labels. We began our sentence with an uppercase letter, and we ended with a punctuation. Page 3. This is the bench. Okay. So today we are going to revise. And when we revise, we add more. And one thing we can do when we add more is to add an introduction. And if we look at our exemplar, we see that this writer started by telling his readers what he was going to teach them. So I was thinking that we can do the same thing with our all about books. So what I did was added another page. And today we're going to use our green pen, because when we revise, we use our green pen and we add more. So Miss Allen is going to add more by adding a whole new page, the introduction. And on our introduction page, we can use the same words like our exemplar or our mentor text, which is, I will teach you all about. So I'm going to write that. I will teach you all about. And let's remember our topic. Our topic is the playground. The playground. Ooh, look at that. We added a whole new page to our writing. So, after we revise, boys and girls, we need to edit. And when we edit, we check our labels and we check our sentences. Make sure that we began with a capital letter. Make sure that each sentence has a space between the words, and that we ended with a punctuation. And remember, punctuations can be a period, a question mark, and even an exclamation mark. So let's reread our book. All About the Playground, written and illustrated by Miss Allen. And on the first page, we have our bench, our slide, our seesaw. And this tells us some of the things we are going to see in our All About book. Let's reread. I will teach you all about the playground. Ooh. I began with an uppercase. I have spaces between my words, and I have a period. This is the slide. Did I start with an uppercase letter? No. So we need to fix it up. So let's cross that out. And it's an uppercase T when we begin our sentence. And we have a period. This is the seesaw. I began with an uppercase letter. I have spaces between my words, and I ended with a period. This is the bench. I started with an uppercase letter. I have spaces between my words. Oops, I forgot my period. All right, boys and girls. So let's review what we did today. Today, we reread our book, not once, but twice. The first time, we thought about, what else can I add to my book to teach my readers? And we added an introduction page that told our readers what we were going to teach them. And in this case, we said, I will teach you all about the playground. The second time we read our book, we went to edit our sentences. We thought about using our uppercase letters at the beginning, adding a finger space, and ending with a punctuation. Now, there is so much more we can add to our All About book. I want you guys to think about what you've written so far. Fix up your writing. Make sure you have labels, that your sentences begin with an uppercase letter, they have spaces, and they end with a period or another punctuation.